Civil Service Reviewer, Licensure Examination for Teacher.
Now, let me read for you guys the question. Number series 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. And we have multiple choices. Kung alam niyo na po ang sagot, please comment your answer sa comment section or para malaman guys kung tama ba ang sagot niyo. Before we continue to answer the mod problems, and if you're looking for update review for this coming examinations, we have civil service, professional and sub-professional with all the coverage examination, and also we have for the LET, Proof Ed, and Gen Ed. Ito po ay exam booklet, mga possible question lalabas examination. And don't you worry guys, it has answers key and explanation kung bakit yun po ang sagot. And if you want to check out this one, to order this one, click the yellow basket po dyan, nakalagay na po review. And kung wala po kayong yellow basket, just go on to our TikTok second account, nakalagay po dyan, and click the yellow basket po, andun na po ang reviewer, and you can have this right away. So what are you waiting for? I-check out nyo na habang meron po tayong stock. Now to answer again the question, number series 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, kung napapansin niyo po ang number series po nito is going up. Okay, going up po siya, ganyan. Pag going straight up po ang number series, ibig sabihin you will use only addition. Okay, addition po. Now, ang gagamitin ko po dito is Fibonacci technique. Paano ba yun? Yung 2 number, 2 and 3, i-add nyo lang po muna siya. Para makuha natin yung 5 dyan. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Tumama tayo. Pag dalawang beses na nangyaring tumama yung technique natin, ibig sabihin yun ang pattern. So next one naman po yung 3 and 5. So, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now, dahil tumama yung technique natin, para save sa oras, at alam mo na, yun yung po technique, now, you have to jump sa pinakalas. Itong 8 and 13, i-add nyo agad yan using the technique na Fibonacci technique po. So, ibig sabihin guys, 8 plus 13 is equal to 21. Ibig po sabihin, the sagot is letter C. Bakit po? Sa real life situation po ng examination, one number or per number po, you only have 1 minute. Kailangan talaga mas-save yung oras nyo. So, the answer is letter C. Now, para ma-evaluate natin kung naka-learn ba kayo sa ating topic for today's video, please do answer this problem again. Number series 1, 1, 2, 6. What would be the answer? God bless and good luck sa mag-take ng examination at mag-file ng civil service. This coming November 3 na po ang start ng filing.